In this question, we are told that a school sells t-shirts as a fundraiser. They currently are selling t-shirts for $15 each and have been selling 45 shirts a day. Based on a school survey, they have found that for every 40-cent decrease, they will sell an additional 6 shirts per day. How many price decreases should they make to maximize the revenue? In order to solve this problem, we first need to come up with a function for the revenue. In this case, we know that we sell shirts for $15 each, but we are considering doing 40-cent decreases in price in order to sell more shirts. And we know that every time we do a decrease in price, we will sell 6 more shirts. So from here what we need to do is we can take our function, we can expand to put into general form, and then if we complete the square and put into vertex form, we'll be able to figure out how many decreases in price we should do and how much revenue we will end up making. So let's start by multiplying 15 times 45, which gives us 675. 15 times 6 is 90. 0.4 of 45 is negative 18, and 0.4 of 6 is negative 2.4. Next, gathering our like terms and putting in descending order of powers, we have the following. We are now ready to go ahead and complete the square. If we factor our leading coefficient, in this case a negative 2.4 from our first two terms, we're left with x squared minus 30x in the brackets. Now we can take our b term, or the negative 30x, and divide it in half, which would give us negative 15. And when we square that, we will have 225 and then a minus 225. Next, we need to take the negative 225 and multiply it by the leading coefficient, which will pull it outside of the brackets, and gives us 540. Gathering our like terms, right here, gives us 1,215. And then finally, completing our square, gives us x minus 15 all squared. So this tells us that 1,215 is our maximum revenue. In addition, this tells us that we should do 15 decreases in price. So we should take our 0.4 or 40-cent decreases, multiply that by 15, and that'll tell us what our optimum price is to get this revenue. Finally, let's check our solution. We have a maximum revenue of $1,215 and 15 price changes of 40 cents each. And we are correct.